Little People, Big World Fakery, Jacob Roloff slams orchestrated show in Tell All. 2 years after he quit his family's reality show, Little People, Big World, and accused his family of withholding his child star TV earnings, Jacob Roloff is finally getting along with his parents and sibling, but he can't stop knocking the TLC series. The 20-year-old writer, who played a big role in his 23-year-old sister Molly's wedding last weekend, slams the show in his debut book, Verbing. The first few years of doing this show were pretty alright, just a few extra people around the house and farm. The actual filming in that beginning period was subject to the events unfolding, that is, something happened then the cameras came running, he recalled in the book, adding that the approach quickly changed. After the few first years of testing the waters, the whole process did a sort of flip where events became subject to the filming, that is, became more orchestrated than spontaneous, in a weird indistinguishable mix. That phase went on for a while, too, until turning into the dominantly orchestrated ordeal it is today. Being thrust into the spotlight at such a young age had a detrimental effect on his development, Amy and Matt Roloff's youngest son wrote. Chiefly and simply, it forced me to grow up faster than normal, whatever a normal rate might be. Doing on-the-fly interviews and formal ones alike forced me to answer certain questions about myself, my family and my life that I normally might not have wondered about for some years, he continued. But Jacob admitted that although there were many negative aspects of his life in the spotlight, there were also some positives.